I was given this kid's car camera so I could give you guys a fair and honest review. Let's take a look. I am so excited to give this a try out. I have high expectations for it because it seems like it's going to be fantastic to be able to have in my car for my little one so I can see her at all times. Let's take a look. Already I can tell I'm going to love this. Look at the size of that screen. That is going to really be able to give you that amazing visual of your little one. And I'm excited because I'm expecting twins, so this will help me hopefully be able to see the whole car seat and all of the little ones in the back. So this is going to be so fantastic for my family. I can't wait to try it out. It was so easy to hook up. You just put it into what they call the cigarette lighter, and it just hooks together through the car, and I loved all of the features. You can see the main menu and all of the different options that it comes with. The camera itself has really great range. You can really adjust it to exactly what you need and what you're looking for. I also really liked that it was super easy to be able to affix with the Velcro that was stretchy. Okay, so I have it all installed in my car. Look at the size of that screen. I am so impressed. It also is able to be hooked up to, you can turn your car into Apple CarPlay if that's not something you have already. It has so many different options for being able to affix it to your dashboard. I am really impressed. This is definitely something I would suggest you check out if you are looking for something that has fantastic quality and has this massive screen. This is amazing for parents with multiples. This is just gonna really help be able to take a look at all of your littles and see them nice and clearly, and it has so many options. I absolutely am loving this.